In today's this shock assembly we are going to make caster nut. Now this is our caster nut. Now let's see how to make it. First open CATIA, after that mechanical design, part design. Select part design, and after that select any plane whatever you want, and then go on sketch option. After that select hexagon first, make one hexagon. After that make this distance option, constraint option. The distance between both of these edges is given as 104 mm. After that just again go on circle option, make one circle, and its dimensions are given as 50. So after that exit to workbench, use this pad command to extrude it. Given length is of 60. Now you can see here, now the corner is given here of 20 radius. So let's make it first. Now first you have to select plane. You have to select proper plane actually. See, this plane is going through corner, this corner and this corner, but this plane is going through this edge and this edge. We want plane which is going through two corners, and this is the only plane which is going through this one and this one corner. So select it and then go on sketch option. After that use this fit in screen, so it will be here. After that use this projection command, select this line and this line, and then go on this corner command, use this and this line and give here dimensions. The given radius is 20, so I have given here 20. Select the sketch option and complete the entity. We don't want it this extra material in green color because we are just going to remove it. Then go on groove command. After that select the axis. This is the axis. Take preview if you want, otherwise just click on OK. Now we have to create this holes here, so let's make it. For that first select this sketch, then go on this select this surface, then go on sketch option. After that let's make it. First go on this option, projection, project this and this line, not this, actually this. After that just go on this line command, make line from that circle to this edge. Use this constraint command from here to here. Distance between both of them is 5. So after that go on mirror command, select the line which you want to mirror and then use this axis. After that use this trim command to trim unwanted parts. Now I have removed unwanted parts, you can see. After that first we have to go on this command. First select the object which you want to rotate by using control option. Now go here, then go on this rotation command. We are using this duplicate mode, so you can see here first we want 6 rectangles, but we have already created one and using this duplicate mode, so I am writing here as 5. And then after that select the point on which you want to rotate your that rectangle. After that give here degree. I am giving it 360 divided by 6 because we want 6 rectangles. Click on OK and hexagons are created. these are not in green color because we are using duplicate mode. After that, go on exit to workbench, then use this pocket command. You can see here we want pocket of 25, so give here depth as 25 and enter it. After that, we have completed our sketch with easy manner. Thank you so much guys for watching it.